I have already started the base of my hairstyle because my hair is really short. I just have these little ponytails in the back. This will be the front. This is gonna be the front ponytail. And these back here is what I'm going to put my half wig on. I'm gonna go in with some Murray's Edge Wax, the Extreme Hold, and just slick this back as much as possible. And this is the container. Well, this is the container. This is what it looks like. I think my hair is set some. Honestly, I probably could go in with like a blow dryer and set that even more, but I really don't feel like it. I got stuff to do. I have this ponytail and this is the card for it. So this is the Bobbi Boss Miss Origin Designer Mix Tress Up Ponytail Series. So this is the card that came with it. And if you look on it, she's wearing the ponytail like it's a half wig. And if you look at this, this is really, really full. Like, this is the cap construction. It's literally meant to be a ponytail. But like I said, she's wearing it as a half wig. So that gave me an idea for this style. What I have over here is the Outre. This is the Outre X-Pression twisted up spring twist hair, and the texture is very similar to this. So we're about to make something shake here. Because there isn't like a full cap, what I'm gonna do is take like these big pieces in the back and pin it down to those ponytails. So take a piece at the top of this hair and pin it down to the ponytails. The ponytail holder. And of course, do this method right here and loop it through. Voila, we made a ponytail. Now we're gonna add this to my little pony. Make sure that it's secure. Now, okay, this is hilarious. Hey y'all, my camera went out and I didn't even realize it. So this is what I ended up with. So I just took some pieces of hair and covered up these puffs that I had on the side. I covered it and then pinned it down. And I feel like I probably need to pin some more, but you know, just in case the wind blows or something, my hair is not gonna come up. And I definitely could add more pins in the back, but for right now, this is pretty good. I like it a lot. It is a lot of hair, but excuse me, I love big hair. And I just think it's been so long since I've done a hairstyle like this, but I think it's cute. So I pinned the rest of the hairs down and I played around with the top a little bit. I did my makeup and I'm dressed because I'm about to make some more videos, but this is the final result, and this hair, it's really growing on me. So this is what the back of it looks like. You can't see any of my real hair underneath it. And then the top of this little ponytail, you know, covers whatever gap is showing right here. I really love this hairstyle, and if you would like to see me attempt to do a ponytail with this, then let me know down below in the comments, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.